Setting up your Orbi is quick and easy using the Orbi app from Netgear. Let's get started. First, download the Orbi app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store on your smartphone. Once downloaded, open the app. Check the box and click Agree. Click Continue. Click Allow. Click Enable Notifications. Click Allow. Click Allow. Sign in or create a Netgear account to continue. Click Create New Account. Click Set up a new Orbi. Click Get Started. Next, allow camera access so you can scan the QR code found on your Orbi router. Click OK. Scan the QR code. This code will come in handy later for connecting to the Orbi network. Now, let's look at your modem. A modem is a device that connects your home to your internet service provider. It can be a cable modem, satellite modem, or fiber optic modem. Reboot your internet modem. Disconnect all devices from the modem. Wait for 1 to 2 minutes before powering back on. Click I unplugged everything. Wait for the modem's LED lights to stabilize before powering up your Orbi router. This could take up to 5 minutes. Then, plug in the end of the Ethernet cable into the yellow port labeled Internet on the back of the Orbi router. Then, plug in the other end into one of the LAN or Ethernet ports of your internet service provider's modem or gateway. Click Ethernet is connected. Plug in the power adapter to turn the router on. Click Modem LED is steady. Once your router's LED light turns on, continue with the step-by-step process in the Orbi app. Click LED is solid white. Now, connect your phone to the Orbi Wi-Fi network. Click Continue. Click Join. If you were not able to scan the QR code previously, you'll need to connect to the Wi-Fi network printed on the Orbi router. You can find this on the clear sleeve that came on the router or on the label underneath the router. Now, we'll personalize your new Wi-Fi network. Click Next. Your router comes with a pre-configured, unique, and secure Wi-Fi network name and password. Click Next. Your admin password is used to securely log into your router when on the local network to make changes or updates. Click Next. Just in case you forgot your admin password, you can use these security questions to reset the login credentials. Click Continue. Great! Your new settings are now being applied. Click Join. If you change the Wi-Fi name and password from the default settings, give your router a minute to reboot and apply these settings. We recommend updating to your router's latest firmware version if needed. Click Next. Once you're connected with the new settings, your Orbi router is configured. Click Next. Now, you'll want to place and plug in your Orbi satellites throughout your home, giving them a few minutes to fully boot up. Once powered on, Your satellite should show a solid blue light if there's a strong connection to the router. If your satellites light up in amber or magenta, we recommend moving them closer to the Orbi router. Click They're plugged in. Your satellites will automatically connect in the background. This may take up to 10 minutes. If your satellites were not detected, we recommend moving them slightly closer to your router and trying again. Once your satellites are connected, you're all finished with setup. Now, on the Orbi App dashboard, you'll see all the features your Orbi system has to offer. For the latest information on your products, visit netgear.com/support. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.